Hi.
Uh, Good morning. Congratulations for getting a great opportunity.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, this is Chaitanya from
Yeah.
Quality Department. Let's have a feedback from your side, okay?
Okay.
Abdul, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Abdullah Tahir. I am from Gulbarga. I have completed my schooling and PUC in Gulbarga itself. I have completed my BE in KBN College of Engineering in Gulbarga. After that, I have joined the CMTI course.
Okay, so you're basically from Gulbarga. So, how was the journey from Gulbarga to Bangalore CMTI? So, can you describe about that?
Yeah, ma'am. It is a long journey, ma'am. It is 10 to 11 hours journey from Gulbarga to Bangalore. But the Bangalore, it seems say, the weather is very nice in Bangalore. So it was good living in the Bangalore. There was no problem in Bangalore. So it was good.
So, you have shifted from North Karnataka to South, but you were adjusted to all the
Yes, ma'am.
things, right?
Yeah, ma'am. It was adjustable.
Okay, so you are undergoing CACM course, right?
Yeah.
So how was the journey of the course? Like, what are the things you covered? What all the things you learned? Like, how did you manage the time? Because CACM course will be starting from morning to the late evening. So
Yeah.
how did you manage the time and the stress?
Yeah, it was difficult at the beginning, ma'am. Then I managed it. How to then I was adjusted to the time because I came here to learn something. So if the classes were so good that the time we don't know the time where the time goes. So it was no problem in there was no stress. Beginning it was difficult, but then I adjusted and managed to it.
Okay, so I feel you have been enjoying the classes all through the way, right?
Yeah, it was good classes. The time we don't know where the time goes when we sit in the class.
Okay, that's nice actually. So you were
Yeah,
enjoying it.
yeah,
So in a CSCM course, site visits also been included. So how did it help to gain you the practical knowledge? Can you talk about that?
yeah, ma'am. It helped me very much in gaining the practical knowledge. I have only the theoretical knowledge which we learned from the college. Then after going to the sites, it helped me a lot to gain knowledge about the sites, how the work is going on the sites. I came to know about that. I was not knowing before joining the course, but after joining and after going to the sites, I came to know many things and I've gained knowledge about it.
Okay, so you said like you are getting a great knowledge. For that, our trainers are with you. So how is our trainers? Like, what is the like? How was your relationship between the trainers and you? Can you speak about that?
Yeah. The trainers were very good and friendly. They cleared the doubts. Whenever we asked the doubts, they cleared it. No matter how many times we asked them the doubt, they cleared it without without getting irritated. They clear the doubt till we understand it. They don't get, and they are very friendly and nice and explain everything very nicely.
Okay, that's nice actually. So, uh, can you make out a difference in yourself who you are before joining CMTI and who you are now? Can you make out a difference?
Yeah. I have changed myself a lot by joining the course. While joining, I was not aware about any practical knowledge. Any practical knowledge, I was not aware about it. But after joining and going to the sites, I came to know about the practical knowledge as well as theoretical knowledge. So it helped me a lot to gain the knowledge after joining the course.
Okay, this was basically to your academics. Can you make out in your personal development that is communication, the strength, stage
Yeah,
fear? Yeah.
yeah, communication skills. I'm having issues in communication skill. By joining the institute, I got some how to communicate with others. I was having stage fear too. So after joining, I came to know how to communicate, and the stage fear is also gone.
Okay, that's nice that you have been changed in yourself also.
Yeah.
So, how was your fellow engineers, that is, the people who were taking training with your side, next to you, like your friends? How was the relation between you and them?
Yeah, ma'am. The relation between us were very good, ma'am. They all are friendly. We help each other, and at the times we don't understand, we help each other. So we were good. We all were friendly and good with us.
Because those people will be from other states and all over India. So, was it easy to communicate with them?
It was not easy, ma'am, because of the language, but we communicated in another the language which we and them are aware with, like English. We talked in English if we don't know the language, so it was not difficult. We managed it.
Okay, that's nice. So you have been cracked a great interview. So how was the interview process done? Did you face any challenges and how did you overcome that? And how did CMTI and PS help you during this process?
Yeah, the interview was good, ma'am. First, he asked me about myself. Then he asked some technical question. As I am a fresher, they don't ask that much technical questions to freshers. He asked me about myself and some technical questions, uh, and then the CMTI course, the trainers have teached us how to communicate, how to go and crack the interview. So that also helped me to crack the interview. He also sees the body language, the communication, what you respond when he asks the questions, how you respond, your dressing, and all he will see. Then only we are selected in an interview.
That's nice that you have bagged the great interview with a very good
Yeah.
confidence. So you have been changed a lot in your career and with your personal development, as you said. So would you like to suggest for CMTI for your juniors and your friends?
Yeah, ma'am. I would like to suggest to join the CMTI course to gain practical knowledge and to gain the practical knowledge and to how to and know how to crack an interview, how to communicate, and it will help a lot if you join the course. I would like to say to my juniors and friends.
Okay. That's very nice talking to you, Abdullah. And it was a very great feedback from your side. And I can congratulate once again for getting a great opportunity. And I wish you very all the best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.